friends, welcome to the channel Kids Who Code. Yes, you all the kids who code, who love to code, and today we will learn about some of the easiest and fun codes.
And in today's class, let's continue our shapes. So let's do a quick recap. What we have done yesterday is we have drawn a square. Please open your practice sheet for square. Right click, open with idle or edit with idle. And let's see. This is what we have done yesterday. I hope you all are watching all the videos in sequence. It's very important to do practice simultaneously, or if you're watching on a single day, has to be in sequence. Alright, so I hope you have practiced by changing these numbers. You have made 5-6 files already, and I hope so that you have practiced square well. And now what other shapes we can try? We can try rectangle, we can try triangle, circles. So what do you know about square and rectangle? In square, all the sides are equal. It's all equal here. In rectangle, we know that two sides are longer and two sides are shorter, and the angles are always 90 degrees in both square and rectangle. So let's quickly change this code for a rectangle. Let me run this first for a square. Let's do F5. This is a square. This is what we have done yesterday. Clear? Now let's make it a rectangle. So what we can do is we can change these two sides, let's say for 100. So 300, 100, 300, 100. So what will happen is we have two shorter sides and two longer sides. And let's save this by the name of let's save this as rectangle now. Desktop. Instead of square, let's do rectangle.py, and let's run this now. Do we see it's a rectangle? Great. Now you have to practice, make few more rectangles at your home. That's your homework. Make changes. Degrees would always be 90 degree in both square and rectangle. Sides you can change, make changes as per your convenience. What else we can try? We can try a triangle. Again, what we're going to do for triangle is, triangle has three sides. We'll remove one side. Now we'll have three sides, and I can give you this for homework actually. Let me give you a quick hint here. That triangle will have three sides, and the angles, it would not be 90-90 each. You can make angles. I'm sure you would do it, or if you still need help, I'll be helping you tomorrow, not today. So we know about square, rectangle, triangle, circle. We can try a circle shape also. So let's make a circle. So what do we do first? For all the shapes, for all the drawings, what is it that we have learned so far? From Turtle, we import. So from Turtle, we import everything. The star signs means everything. Now we write shape turtle. Let's say shape turtle. Some people also use pen, but I like turtle. I love the cute little turtle. And what do we need? Do we need four sides? No, we don't need. We don't need four sides like square or rectangle. We don't need three sides like triangle. What we need in circle is circumference. Okay. So now earlier we used to write forward. Remember? Because we wanted the turtle to go forward. But now we don't want the turtle to go forward. We want the turtle to move in a circle. So we will not write forward, we will write circle. This is how the turtle is going to move. And now you can write the circumference, how much circumference you want. So let's say I'll write 100 only. Let's write 100 and let's save this file. I have not added any comment. If you want, you can add comment. This is to draw shape of a circle or anything. I'm just showing this version that without comment also we can run this file. It'll still be the same. Let's see. And now we will do F5 and it's making a beautiful circle. So now we have tried all the shapes, and if you might have observed, to make all those beautiful pictures which we have seen in the earlier slides, let's see if that slide is here. You remember these beautiful pictures that we discussed earlier? You see, this also has something to do with circle. This also has something to do with circle. Actually, these are circles made at different degrees. So in this one, it's how many circles are there in a single circle, and then your cursor keeps moving and it makes these beautiful pictures. This is where we are heading to, but first we have to practice all the shapes. Now the next one we are going to try is star shape. First we'll make a simple star and then we'll make a colored star. You know the initial steps. We'll go to idle and we'll open idle, new file. In the new file we are making, or you can write to make, this is comments, to make a star, and later we'll make it a colored star. How do we make shapes with the help of turtle? First we'll do from turtle we import. So write from turtle import all the commands. Then shape we are taking is that of a turtle. I love this turtle shape. I find it so cute. And remember, see, this color is still black. It shows that something is missing. If you try to run this, you will get a syntax error. In the initial days you will get more of these kind of errors. I used to get them a lot. So what is missing is inverted commas. See, now you can see this is complete. So we are calling shape turtle, and what we'll do is in circle, in square we have done forward. We have asked turtle to move 300 steps forward. We'll do the same. And now because it's a star, in square you remember the turtle will move this way, and then we want a 90 degree. But here in star we don't want a 90 degree 90 degree turn. We want a 144 step, 144 degree turn. So we'll do left or right. We have already tried right. Now we'll try left. Let's see, 144. And remember we have talked about the loop. So what we'll do is, either we can do this 5 times. Let's see. Either we write it 5 times. Forward 300. Because a star has 5 sides. Left 144, forward 300, left 144, 3, forward 300. And I'll tell you why am I typing this every time. Why am I not copying this? Because In idle, when you copy, sometimes it gives you error because it takes the space as well, the space, and that gives you an error. So let's run this. Okay, save it. Let's say by the name starshape.py, and see, it's making the star. Nice, great. Now what we'll do is we'll make it a colored star. So in order to make the star a colored star, we can use colored pens, like all these lines which are showing black right now, and then we'll also learn to fill colors inside the shapes. So these are different things. If we want to use colored pens for these drawing these lines, it will be it will be made with colored pen, but inside would still be white. There will be no fill. That's one thing we will learn in the coming videos. Another thing that we'll learn is to fill a shape. Now before we do that, your homework for today is try making different shapes. And how you will try making different shapes is by making changes. You can change this 300 to 100 or 200. You can try 50, even 5, anything, and change this degrees. Instead of 140, you can try instead of 144, you can try 140. Make your own versions. Make 7, 8, 9, 10 files and try different shapes. You can make star, you can make square. For square, you can check my last video. Before we go on to the next one, these are very important because in the coming classes we'll also learn about how to make loops. We'll learn about different variables also. Before that, make sure you have practiced very well on the things which are taught until now. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Kids Who Code.